Welcome to the Contractor Job Costing Calculator demo, where you can estimate jobs and set profitable prices fast. This is the tool right here. As you can see how well put together this is. You can save estimate, export to PDF, load estimate, clear all. You can use this for free, or there's a paid option right here, Pro. It's a one-time payment of $29. Very cheap, very affordable. And if you get one job, and it's lifetime access, so you get one job, it pays for it over and over again. You can use this unlimited. Without unlimited saves, export to PDF, all that good stuff. So if you've ever found yourself doing good work but barely breaking even, I've been there, and it's what led me to this Contractor Job Costing Calculator. It's a handy pricing tool built for contractors. In this quick demo, I'll show you how it turns hours of guesswork into an instant, accurate quote. You'll see how easy it is to plug in materials, labor, subcontractor costs, overhead, and profit margin, and get one final price that hits your target profit. So no more underquoting. You can save hours on estimates, enter your project costs in minutes instead of wrestling with Excel or paper. This tool is a true job estimator for builders that does the math for you. Never guess on profit. This is going to handle everything for you. And like I said, it generates professional quotes, clean, client-ready PDFs that look polished and professional. So with that being said, let me show you this real quick, and you can come and check this up for yourself. So the project name, we'll just put in kitchen remodel. Client name, we're just going to keep this real easy. John Smith, what's in the placeholder there? It shows you the date right now. Just select the date. You can add project notes here. Material costs. We'll just put in, it's a kitchen remodel, so we can put anything in here. We'll just put costs of materials. This can be everything together, whatever you want to do. You got a quantity box here, and then you got a unit cost for each one of them. So we can put in right here, we'll just do $5,000 for this demonstration. And you can put in here backsplash, appliances, floor, whatever you want to put in here for whatever job you're doing. In this case, the kitchen remodel, you're going to put it in here. You can also add line items here, and it's going to give you the cost. Labor time tracking, how many labor hours this job's going to take you. We'll put in 8, your hourly labor cost, and we'll put in 150 for this demo. Overhead and profit, you can put in your overhead percentage and your desired profit margin, and it's going to tell you everything right here. Direct cost, overhead, total cost, target profit. This is your final bid price right here. It tells you about markup versus margin, so you don't get anything wrong. And you can read right there. And if you want to save it, all you do is click save. And you can click export to PDF. And it'll come up right here. And this is your bid that you can send out to your customers. So this is it right here, the name, the date, cost breakdown, direct cost, very professional bid that you can save as a PDF and send to all your customers. You got a load estimate button, clear all button, all that good stuff. So that's it right here. You can use this tool for free. If you want unlimited uses of it, where you can export to PDF unlimited, save it. And there's some other benefits of it. Like I said, it's a one-time price of only $29, very cheap. You get lifetime access to this. Or you can just use it for free. You get up to, you can use this a few times for free, but you're not going to get all the functionality. But you can use the actual tool and get a price for free. So with that being said, if you want to check this out, if you're a contractor, you want to do better job quotes, so you get this right, you're not losing money on your bids. The link for this tool is going to be directly below in the video description box. If you have any questions or comments, you can send me a message directly below as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and check out this tool. It's very useful for all contractors.